Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor. And now we come to you live from Midlothian, Texas. 9 minutes of live entertainment walkthrough. Introducing Grand Homes. Absolutely stunning build. And this model is in Prairie Ridge, 4706 Button Brush Drive in Goodland, Texas, but it's Prairie Ridge, that is the neighborhood. And this model is called the Royal Hampton II. Base price $527,900. Starting square footage is approximately 2596. And this is a beauty, y'all. Definitely excited to show this to you. And if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button to join the America's Realtor YouTube family. And if you're interested in moving to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com or fill out an inquiry form in the description below, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. And as always, please let me know if you would live in a place like this. And we're strolling along. So I love this open concept kitchen. Super spacious. Big island. Vaulted soaring ceilings with those cedar beams. Modern lighting fixtures throughout. Hardwood flooring. We have some balcony access right here, as you see. Spiraling staircase. Double modern front door. And right here is the office. You can make this a living room if you want, but it's staged as an office right now. It does have this closet. And to the left right here, we have the laundry room. So this is right under the stairs. It's got the connections right there. Decently spacious. And we got some tray ceilings here in the master suite. So we have those windows as you saw behind me. And we have separate vanities. We have a garden tub. I'm just turning on the lights for y'all. There we go. So we got one vanity to the left, one vanity to the right. We have the walk-in closet, very spacious with French doors. And the walk-in shower. And people always ask me how far this is from Dallas. It's about 35 minutes, I would say, give or take. Not crazy far at all. And it is south of Dallas. For those reloads looking to move here, definitely contact me if you're looking to relocate. That is my bread and butter. And I would love to work with you. So office and then kind of like a double formal right there. Love this staircase. They added in this model very unique spot right here. So these are for the young scholars out there, for the kids. or for, you know, your college students. If you have people doing that, studying for med school, etc. And we have your game room / media room. Has those built-in speakers up there. So you can kind of make it what you want. You could kind of do, you know, media room / game room. As you have that air hockey table right there. And then behind you can do like more of a sitting area. And we have a full bath. Shower tub combo. And we have another bedroom. Bedrooms are pretty spacious. They got the windows for natural lighting. French door closet. And let's stroll on to the next bedroom. That was bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 3. And then 4 we're about to see here. This is a Jack and Jill, I believe. And there's a closet. Right here, yep, Jack and Jill. So those 2 bedrooms will share this bathroom. It is a full bath. Shower tub combo. And the 4th bedroom. Same size closet as the other one with the French doors. Which I'll show you here in a sec. And that is the upstairs, y'all. Let's head back down. And we're gonna go in the backyard real quick. I'll show you the garage as well. The garage is right by the kitchen over here. Love those bay windows. It's got that covered patio outside as well. LED lighting in the kitchen. And here is the garage. Standard 20 by 20 garage. Can fit 2 cars up there. And let's head out. And this is the backyard. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour, hosted by yours truly, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And I'll see y'all on the next one.